Hey everyone, I'm Ashley and welcome to Let's Talk Tech. Today's topic is Canva, so let's begin by going to Google and searching for Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The platform is free to use and you can upgrade your account to a paid subscription with Canva Pro. This will offer users new templates and images to use. If you're new to using Canva, you can choose to sign up in the top right corner and create an account. We already have an account here at the library, so I'm going to sign in and show you how easy and fun it is to use Canva. Canva is an amazing program to design professional-looking posters for social media, flyers for your business, videos or presentations for school, and the possibilities are truly endless with all the options that you can do with it. Let me show you how to create a post for Instagram that is much more visually appealing than simply a photo. We're going to go to social media and we'll click on Instagram post. On the left-hand side here, we will see the different templates that we can use. These are great if you are not sure what design to create and need some guidance. Next on the left is Uploads. This is where you can upload your own personal pictures from your computer or your phone to use. Next on the left is Photos. These are images that Canva provides for you to use. You can search in the search bar at the top to narrow down the images to the type that you would like to see. Let's search here for coffee. As we hover over each image, we see that some images are free and some say Pro. Free can be used by everyone. Pro can be used if you have paid for an upgraded Canva account, or you can pay for the use of an individual image if you would like to. Let's select a free image for our Instagram post design. There are a lot of options to format the picture, but we are going to keep it simple today. If I am to right-click on the image, I can choose to set the image as a background. Ta-da! Next on the left, we can choose to add some text. Again, some of the fonts are free and some are labeled as Pro. So let's choose to add a heading. Then we can select the font that we'd like from the drop-down menu at the top. I'm going to choose this one here because it looks pretty fancy. Then at the top, we can select the font color. I'm going to choose white so that it stands out from the dark background. Now we can click in the text box here and we can write what we would like to say. We can resize the text box by clicking and dragging on the corners to increase the font size. And then we can resize and format it how we want it to look for our image. On the left-hand side again, we can select Elements. Here you can add some more fun graphics to your design. For instance, we could add some steam to our coffee. If we select this image here, we can narrow down our animations from static to animated. So let's choose animated and apply the filters. Now we can see our elements move. So let's click this free image here and we'll add it over onto our design. We can then resize it how we would like. And if we're unhappy with this specific image, we can go to the right corner to the garbage can symbol and delete it. Let's try a different one. Let's try just the single spout of steam. We can resize that again. And move it to where we want it in our design. There are lots of options that we can do, but I think this looks great. So let's complete our image here. To know what my image would look like completed, I can select Preview to see what it would look like. Right beside Download is this little arrow with 6 seconds. If I select that and click on it, it will show me a preview of what my post will look like when it is finished. I think it looks fantastic. How about you? Let's go to the top left corner and select Close. So that will bring us back to our image here in Canva. Now that we have decided our image is complete, we want to go to the top right and select Download. The file type for this one will be MP4 video because we have that animation which we want to be moving. Then we will click Download. And after the image has downloaded, you can then choose a destination where you want to save it. From there, you can then upload it to your Instagram profile. Canva is a great tool to take ordinary ideas and to transform them into extraordinary images and videos. I hope you all enjoyed today's Let's Talk Tech featuring Canva, and we will see you all next time. Bye-bye.